So, hello everyone. I just wanted to share with you on how I remove my warts on my face. Aware naman po tayo na ang warts ay contagious, lumalaki, and dumadami sila. So, I got here my mini freckle machine or cautery machine. So, after applying numbing cream, I put on the cling wrap for better immersion. Leave it for 20 minutes. So, ayan guys, after 20 minutes, I'm back. Tanggalin natin yung cling wrap. Wipe natin ng tissue. So, kunin na natin ang ating cautery machine. Ganyan lang po tap-tap lang natin. Very light. Basta nakikita mo naman na nakukuryente siya. And then, no pain dito guys. Wala akong nararamdamang sakit dito. And it usually leaves a wound which may take 1 to 6 weeks to heal. Depends on the size of the warts. Yan lang guys. So, yan lang guys. After that, naglagay po tayo ng ointment. Vitamin A and D brand. Follow for more. Thank you.